Hey everyone, so today I have a video with a bunch of these Sanrio blind bags. So I have a lot. So total, I have 6 different varieties, 5 of each. So we have Cinnamoroll Pastel Circus. We have Kuromi figurines. We have Sweet Lolita. We have a My Melody Kuromi, my favorite color figurine. We have Sanrio characters falling. And we also have Hello Kitty and Friends Funyu Maru style figurines. So we have a lot. So they all come in sets of 5, so I'm hoping that we have a really good variety. Let's go. There's a lot of pinks, so let's start with one of the pink ones. Let's do this one. So Sweet Lolita keychain. These are the different ones that we can get. I am really liking this dark My Melody though. And then the Kuromi A and Kuromi B are both looking really good too. So those are the 3 I would really want. These 2 are okay, but let's try to get the whole set. We have Kuromi, and we have My Melody. So this one is My Melody A. Let's just make a check mark. 4 more to go. Number 2. Ooh, Kuromi. And we have Kuromi in a maid outfit. I guess they're all maid outfits though. This is Kuromi B. Number 3. I see black ears. Oh yes! We have My Melody B. Wow, look at her. Dark My Melody. My Melody B. 4th one. Oh, another My Melody B. Okay, we'll keep this in the packaging then. Last one, come on, let's get the last Kuromi. It's another Kuromi double. Okay, so we have 2 doubles and we have 3 of the 5. Not bad, not bad. So let's do the following ones next. So you can get Hello Kitty, Pochako, Hamgyodon, Cinnamoroll, and Pom Pom Pudding. So it's a pretty good variety. So let's go ahead and open it up. First one seems very fat. Oh! Oh, look at it's Pochako. So Pochako fell down. I think he's supposed to fall on the side like this. Oh, poor Pochako. We have Pochako. Bag number 2. I really want Hamgyodon and Pom Pom Pudding, but Cinnamoroll looks good too actually. Oh, they all look good. They all look good. No, another Pochako. You go back in. Go back in. Another one. This is a 3rd Pochako. Okay, you better not be another Pochako. Oh, we have Hello Kitty. None of the ones that I said I wanted, but as long as it's not a Pochako. Here we have Hello Kitty, and it looks like she's like kind of sliding, or she like tripped. Final one. Final one. So that concludes my opening for this one. We only have Hello Kitty and Pochako. So next we're gonna open My Melody and Kuromi favorite color. So it looks like you can get cherry red Kuromi, light purple Kuromi, sakura pink My Melody, sweet pink My Melody, and strawberry red My Melody. So I do want the ones holding fruits and then probably Kuromi. I do prefer the My Melody with her ears up than the ones that are floppy. But let's see what we get. First one. Ooh. And we have Kuromi holding a rose. So here she is. She is light purple Kuromi holding a rose. Perfect. Next one. And, oh, and it's a floppy-eared My Melody. So here she is. She's actually holding like a cherry blossom petal, which is super cute actually, with a little flower crown. She's so small. So we have the Sakura Pink My Melody. The third one. Okay. Let's see what we get. Double. Come on, we want the fruit holders. Oh, I see fruit. And it's the Kuromi fruit holder. Kuromi's holding a cherry. So cute. It looked a lot more glossier in the picture though. We're gonna cross off. Last one, we want this one. Did we manifest it? We manifested. We got the other fruit holder, My Melody with the strawberry. And this is actually pretty glossy. So good. We got 4 out of the 5. Okay, floppy ears. You get to go over there. And let's cross off. Perfect. We are gonna open Cinnamoroll next. So there's 5 different types. There's one in a teacup, one on a ball, one with a horn, one with a cane, and another one on a ball. So 2 of them with a ball. And it's like very circusy. So let's see if we can get a full set of these. First one. Ooh, and we have the one sleeping on a ball. So here's the first one. It's just laying on the top of a ball and just resting. Okay. We have that one. Number 2. And we have a double. Let's put you back. Number 3. Oh, it's the other one on top of the ball. This one's just balancing on top of the ball. I really hope we get this one. That's the one I really want. Or the teacup one. Those are the 2 main ones. This is the 4th one. Teacup! And it's in a wrong little teacup. So cute. Okay, crossing this one out. Let's manifest our little caned ringmaster. Oh, there's names. There's ringmaster. We want ringmaster. Let's manifest. Oh, we got it. We have the Ringmaster. Manifesting is really working right now. So the only one we're missing is Bugle, which I am okay with. Okay, so we're gonna do this one next. It's Kuromi figurine, and there's 5 different types. They're just labeled A, B, C, D, and E. And they're all really cute. I do want the one holding the plush here, and the crying one is cute too. Those are the 2 that I would really want from the set. The first one. Ooh, okay, we have Kuromi C, and she has little heart eyes. She's in love. We have Kuromi C right there. Number 2 is a double. Number 3 is crying Kuromi. Oh, look how sad she is. Crossing out Kuromi E, the 4th one. A triple. 5th one, we need Kuromi A. Come on now, Kuromi A. Well, we only got 2 in this one as well. This is our last set. For as many I bought, we don't have that big of a variety. So I have a feeling that this will be the set where we have one of everything. Let's hope, let's hope. Oh, and the ones you can get are My Melody, Hello Kitty, Batsmaru, Pom Pom Pudding, and Tuxedo Sam. First one, can never get a double on the first. And we have Tuxedo Sam, so cute. I love this figure set so much. Let's cross out. Number 2. And it's My Melody. Our My Melody collection growing even bigger and bigger. But this is probably my favorite My Melody. I love this. Their shape is so cute. Third one. Pom Pom Pudding! I see yellow! Here is Pom Pom Pudding, and so adorable. Iconic, but gotta cross off. Hello Kitty! I'm not a huge Hello Kitty fan, but this Hello Kitty, so good. The colors are soft and chubby and adorable. Okay, we need Batsmaru, come on. I have a feeling that we will complete this set. Ready? So we did not complete the set. So this is a collection of bags. So we're missing Batsmaru here. We're missing Hangulon Pom Pom Pudding and Cinnamoroll here. We're missing Sweet Pink My Melody. We are missing Bugle Cinnamoroll. We're missing Kuromi A, B, and D. And we're missing My Melody C and Kuromi A. Okay, so of the 30 blind bags that we got, we have 11 doubles. So that means 19 different variety. I think of the ones I really want, I need to get the Batsmaru of this. And then I'll probably get the Kuromi holding the plush. But everything else is fine. We have a good variety though. I'm content. At least it's like almost 2/3. It could be worse. It could have been half. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you all for watching.